In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a futures trading bot on KuCoin. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form, and this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account, but if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. So firstly, go to markets right here to access the futures trading. Then go to futures and you should find the option to enable futures trading if you haven't done that already. So click here, and if you have futures enabled already, you just need to go to trade and you should find futures trading here. So once you are here, we will go to bot and we will find the different categories for the bots. So we got the spot grid, futures grid. We also have some AI powered bots as well. So you can filter them by category and you can go to any category. For example, this one right here, which seems like it's the most popular one. And that should bring you right here where we can see the leaderboard, the 24-hour ranking, the bots with the best profits, the profit rate, and much more. So you can just scroll down and use the one that you like the most. You just need to click copy, and this way you will automatically be copying any bot you want, and whenever they win, you will win as well, and if they lose, you will lose as well, of course. So we can see some things about each bot, like the profit rate, the profit in USDT, the runtime, the total followers. So if you want to use a stable bot, you should find one that is having a great profit and is having a long runtime as well. So that's it. You can filter them, you can have more filters here as well, or you can even create your own bots. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.